Hi Shraddha, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, sir. How about you?
I am also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Miss Shraddha Jagtap today with us. She has recently completed her multi-track training program here at I Medita, which is a program we have created for network engineer, network security engineer. So recently she completed that course and got an opportunity as a network engineer with Gruve Technologies, which is one of the cybersecurity, network security based organization. So hi Shraddha, welcome again and let's get started. So can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background, and first of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a fresher with Groove Technologies as a network engineer. So, how it feels like, and tell us about your background, please.
Uh, Thank you so much, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Shraddha Jagtap. I belongs to BARAMATI. I completed my master's in microbiology and then get a job as a network engineer in Gruve Technology.
Great. You enrolled here with I Medita for multi-track training program. In this multi-track training program, we cover CCNA, CCNP, network security, and some understanding of cyber security and firewalls as well. So I would like to know, were you able to complete the entire course, or during the course itself you got the job?
Not, I didn't completed my entire course. I completed my CCNA, CCNP training, and I got placed.
Great. So how you are feeling this being your first job as a fresher? How it feels like?
It feels amazing getting first job in IT domain with just like amazing people's. Groove Technology is one of the best companies, and I'm very happy to join that company. Thank you so much, sir.
It's all your efforts, it's all your dedication. Also, I would like to know how come from microbiology to networking? You are from a different background. You have not done any IT or computer science related degree. You did BSc and MSc in microbiology, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
how you got interested into networking domain, network security domain, cyber security domain?
Uh, because of my brothers working in security domain, seeing them, I built interest in like IT field, and they recommend me I Medita because their most of colleagues came from I Medita, and they took me here.
Okay, okay. Because your brothers are working in this domain, that motivated you to learn and gain concepts in this domain, right?
Yes, sir.
How you manage to learn these things? Because for you, everything was new for you. Terms in networking, OSI model, you might not have heard these terms during your college academic curriculum. So everything for you was completely new when you started with CCNA. How you manage, how easy was it for you? How much time you spent here with the classes, lab practicals, and overall self-study purposes?
Sir, when I started, the first thing I do pay attention to how the teachers taught us, and everything was clear. When I get interested by myself, when I gives more than 2 hours for lectures and 2 hours for lab practice and remaining for my self study, I started to get understand lots of things, and I am very curious about each and every word, and I ask most of questions to trainers, and they provide me every answer that help me a lot.
So you mean to say on a everyday basis, general basis, you are spending 6, 7 hours average, right?
No, sir, I spend more than 10
Okay,
hours.
okay, great, great. Also, how was your overall experience here at iMedita? You did CCNA from which instructor?
From Vikas, sir.
CCNP?
From Vikas, sir.
Okay, and
They
you are
are amazing.
okay.
The teacher itself, they know everything and cleared all the doubts that I had personally. Uh, that feels amazing
You've
to
also
dot from him.
attended the PD classes and interview preparation classes by Baldev sir and Shweta madam.
Yes, sir.
So did those classes help you in terms of interview preparation and grooming yourself for the interviews?
Yes, sir, because I personally see myself as an introvert, and attending Shweta ma'am's classes gives me a confidence that I am able to stand among the candidates who are actually belongs to IT field, and I build. more like grew myself, how I represent myself amongst the people, and they help me a lot.
Great. So during the training, when you enrolled here for the classes, I am sure there must be certain expectations before starting your classes. Today, when you have completed your 70-80% of the course, you got a job opportunity as well. I would like to know, were we able to meet those expectations which Shraddha was having before enrollment here with I Medita?
Yes, sir, 100%. Because when I came to I Medita, I have only one expectation, that I need a job in networking domain, and that get fulfilled today.
Great. So what are the major 2, 3 things like you liked here at I Medita?
First one will be the teaching, and second one will be the environment. The environment motivate us to like do give you 101%. Like everyone's here gives like knowledge, shares the knowledge among each other, and environment feels amazing.
Great. And you got all the required study material, lab guides, access to our learning platform from our team.
Yes, sir. We got handouts, workbooks, command books, and that helped me a lot.
Okay. And how you attended all the classes? You attended classes in the classroom mode or online mode?
Uh, I personally from both, like I attended CCNA offline mode and CCNP from online mode.
Okay. So what are the major differences? What you felt, which in which mode you have got the better output, classroom mode or online mode?
I will say classroom mode because interacting personally with teachers and our each and every uh,
Mm-hmm. You get
people.
better learning environment, you mean to say, right?
Yes.
Can interact with teachers even after your classes hours. You can speak to other trainers, other students. So that helps
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
stay
sir.
motivated and focused towards your particular domain area itself.
Yes, sir.
And how many interviews you have given prior getting selected with Gruve Technologies?
This is my first interview, sir.
Okay, great. You gave first interview and you got selected in the first interview, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a very happy feeling if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Uh, how many rounds were there and what kind of interview process was followed with this company?
There are two rounds happen. First one was technical, and second one will with manager, and both of 1 hours each.
Okay. And do you have any advice, any suggestion for people who are planning to face their upcoming interviews? What advice would you give to them?
I will say try to do regular basis revision. Revision helps to communicate with all the concepts, and try to do more on basic things that help a lot. That's
Okay. And based on your experience here at I Medita, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
out of 10.
Okay.
It's must be 10.
Okay. And any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
No, sir. Everything is perfect. I don't think there is anything I would suggest, but everything is like 100% perfect.
And last question, would you recommend our training and certification courses to other friends as well? Are you happy with our services? Are you satisfied with our training services?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Great. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. This being your first job as a fresher, I would recommend learn as much as you can, contribute to your organization, to your team, keep upgrading yourself. That is also very, very important because many times working professional, when they start their journey, they are not able to invest in their knowledge based on what is expected in the industry. So upgrade yourself. If you have not completed some modules here which were part of your training program, in next couple of months try to complete those modules. If you are not able to come down here for the classroom training, attend online classes. Due to some rotational or different shift timing, if you're not able to attend online classes, attend via video lectures, but try to complete your entire course so that you have more comprehensive and more profound understanding of those concepts which will definitely help you in your future careers as well. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem.
So thank you
Thank you,
once
sir.
again. We wish you all the very best. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay in touch.
Okay. Thank you, sir.